And sitting here at Carbon Farm, a 1,462 acre farm just outside of Dufur, Oregon in the Pacific Northwest. This property has a vast variety of terrain and an incredible infrastructure. One of those properties we don't see come on the market too often that's really going to grab the serious buyer. What you have here is mixed oak timber, open wheat ground, mountain views in every direction, and fully operational working ranch. Most buyers spend years looking for a property that checks 2 or 3 of those boxes. What makes this place so compelling is the depth of what is already here. There's an active poultry operation generating real, consistent income. Multiple poultry buildings, an on-site processing facility. This is a fully built-out working ranch.
You have 3 separate tax parcels. You have over 600 acres of water rights spread out over those tax parcels that allow you to irrigate in different forms. There's 4 ponds on the property. This is a do-it-all type of operation. You could be running a wheat farm. You could be running a cow-calf operation here. You could simply be holding this land just for its recreational purposes and beautiful setting right at the base of Mount Hood, within short distance of Mount Hood National Forest. There's just no way to describe everything that is encompassed in this property. I feel very lucky to, be a part of bringing this property to market. You go into even more so the infrastructure, the barns, the historic legacy that this farm had, multiple home sites and bunkhouses. The mixed terrain, wheat fields, abundant wildlife, including elk, mule deer, wild turkey, as well as just the vastness of geography, the proximity to, local amenities, and, its location being less than 2 hours to Portland, Oregon. This is the type of land that, people look for and they oftentimes can't find. And so if I was left with one word to describe this, it's simply impressive.
Welcome to Carbon Farm.